Okay, everybody, so it's time to talk about your to-do list on your operations dashboard. CSRs at TeleDirect must check their to-do list on a frequent basis in order to ensure that they are up to date on their own coaching and development. All employees are expected to work on clearing this list every single day. Now, once you become a B-level CSR, you will be on our bonus plan. Training issues and quality reviews must be cleared on a daily basis in order to qualify for bonuses. Messages and quizzes are never tied to a bonus plan, but all employees are still expected to work on these daily. Each of these four categories should say done before you leave for the day. The only exception to this might be quizzes. Most of the time you will be able to clear all of your quizzes on a daily basis. However, sometimes, like when you move up for a level or when you're a brand new customer service rep like this example, you get a bunch of quizzes all at once. Now, it's not reasonable to expect someone to clear 12 quizzes in one day, but you are expected to make good use of your time, so you should be working on them daily, even if you're not able to finish. So training issues, quality reviews, and messages should all be cleared before you leave, and you should work on quizzes every single day, even if you're not able to finish them. I would like to talk about training issues and quality reviews in the next video. For the rest of this video, I'd like to talk about the Quiz Center. At TeleDirect, we work in a scripted environment where information that we give out on the phone must be read from a script or FAQs. We never advise a caller from memory because CSRs here take far too many different types of calls, and trying to depend on our memory will result in mistakes. For this reason, all quizzes at TeleDirect are open book, open notes, and CSRs are expected to use all available resources in order to pass a quiz. A quiz is automatically checked off of your to-do list after you score 80% or better. Sometimes quizzes are taken directly after a training class, and reps are expected to use their training material and notes in order to pass a quiz. Some examples of those types of quizzes are general information and the verification process. Based on your training, you should be able to pass those quizzes. Much more frequently, however, there will be a DID in the quiz or training issue, and most quizzes are passed by referencing the call script using this DID. Quizzes here are learning tools, and you should take your time, reference the appropriate material, and never guess at an answer. Guessing at an answer is not an effective learning process and is completely unacceptable. For this reason, you will be locked out of a quiz if you fail to pass it after 3 attempts. If you score less than 80% 3 times on a quiz, you're locked out and you must seek help from a team leader or manager in order to receive coaching and another chance to pass the quiz. It is very important that everyone understands that this lockout process is in place for employees that cannot take responsibility for their own training and development. You do not want to be one of these people, and you should seek help before you get locked out of a quiz. Please try to pass a quiz once, maybe twice on your own if you're close, but if you're still struggling after the second time, then something is very wrong. You may be referencing the wrong material, but no matter what, you should seek help. Do not guess on these quizzes and never get locked out, guys. These are supposed to help you learn, so if you're having trouble, seek help right away. Another very common resource you will have in order to pass a quiz is a training video. For many of these quizzes, there's a link to a training video at the top of the quiz, or it may be in a training issue you receive. Watch the video as you take the quiz so that you can pause the video and answer a question once you hear the correct response. Make sure you bring headphones to work, or you can ask to borrow some from a team leader or manager, but headphones are important for watching these videos so you can clearly hear. Also remember that while we want you to try to complete all training in between calls, it's not always possible, and that's especially true of these videos. If you're having trouble finishing a video or a quiz due to call volume, do not hesitate to ask for help. A team leader or supervisor can help you prioritize and give you time off the phone to take a quiz or watch a video if it's possible based on call volume. Thank you for your attention. Please watch the next video right away on training and quality reviews.